Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to use loop tools. So as example, I will create circle in it. And the next, you can create new plane. Okay, I will select this circle as new plane. Now you can use the move tools to move the plane in blue axis to the top here. The next, select plane and click sketch mode. Now I will create a rectangle like from this point into here. Click and sketch editing. Now you can hide plane. And if you want to loop this to shape, you can use the blend tools. Click this icon, blend, and you can select the circle. Press Ctrl button, hold, and select again the rectangle. So to be automatically create loop from these two objects. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to use loop tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.